We'll guide you through how to move columns in Excel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Excel. So for whatever reason you want to go move a column. Perhaps you went and set it up incorrectly and so you want to go and move one elsewhere. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure this is full guide and you don't skip anything. What we need to do is we need to go and click on the column we want to do this with. So what I could do is I can go and click on the top here like so. Click on the letter. It's now selected, and what you then need to do is you want to go and hold the shift key on your keyboard, the left shift, and then what you need to do is go and place your cursor on the line, and it should go and switch to arrows, like so, as you can see. So wait till it's got the black lines of the arrows, then click, hold, and drag, and you want to go and drag where you want it to be. So you can go and see the lines highlighted. It's then going to be there. So I can then release and it's then been moved there. It's that simple. Leave a like if you found this useful.